Hello, I'm Dr. Abdul Hasib. I'm a postgraduate resident in Department of Urology, Institute of Kidney Disease, Peshawar. Today, I will be talking on how to make entries of journal clubs meeting, entries of paper and poster presentation, as well as any research work that you have done in your CPSP e-portal. So now log in into my e-portal. So when you log in your e-portal, you can see this is your dashboard, and there are multiple section, account information, CPSP logbook, and so on. So you have to click on this CPSP e-logbook, and while opening the CPSP e-logbook, you can see there are these five different sections. Two of them are about the skills and the procedures that you observe, assist, or perform in your training. So, making entries of those are done in these two sections. One is about your primary specialty, and the other is about your rotation training. So, and these three sections that we will be talking about for today, making entries of journal club, of poster presentation, and the paper that you have published. So, coming to this journal club, you have to click on over here, and you click on this add new tab. So now you can see that uh, you just have to put the date of discussion on which the general club meeting has taken place over here in this box, and that you also write the name of the people, the consultants, or the organizers who have facilitated that general club meeting in this box. This can be your supervisor, the consultants in your unit, or from any other units who have talked or who have actively participated or facilitated their general club meeting. So you have to write the names of those people over here, and then the full reference of the article that have been discussed. You just have to copy the reference of that article and just paste it over here. So they have also given this example that how should this box be filled. So you can see the title of uh, the article that have been discussed. So first that should be written, and then the name of the journal in which that article was published, and then the name of authors, and then any PubMed index ID number, or any other DOI number, whatever is appropriate. So you can see the title of the article have been written. So you just have to copy the title of that article over here and paste it over here, and then the name of the authors along with the name of the journal and the issue number and the PMID or any other, say for example, DOI number or any relevant number in this box. And then of course you have to select either you want to send that general club meeting to your supervisor or not. So obviously if you want that general club meeting to be approved by your supervisor, so you have to select yes, and then you have to click on submit. So that general club entry will be submitted to your supervisor for approval. So going back to uh, the the dashboard, and now I'll click on this poster or paper presentation. So actually, the entries of making the entries of journal club, the poster, paper presentation, and the article that you have published are almost similar. So you won't have any problem while making those entries. So again, any paper that you have presented as an oral presentation or any paper that you have presented in the form of poster presentation, so you can make the entries in this section. So you have to select the date of presentation, the title of your article, and the venue, uh, and the place where you have published it, and of course the name of the conference or seminar and symposium in this box. And of course you have to select yes if you want this entry to be sent to your supervisor for approval, and then you have to click on this submit button. So now, moving towards the paper published, how to make an entries of an article that you have published in any journal. So again, the date of the publication, that has to be written or selected here, and then the title of your article, the full reference of your article, which should contain the title of your article, the name of the authors, the name of journal, the issue number, and any DOI number. And then, of course, again, you have to select yes, so that this entry is submitted to your supervisor for approval. So this was for today, how to make entries of general club meeting, of a poster and oral presentation, and of an article that you have published in your CPSP e-log. Thank you.